ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्निग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
So we are not going to chant Nagesha Sutrani, Chiksha Sutrani. We will not have time for that. Even Samgita already over. Sandhi we have covered. Now we will start from here. We are going to enter into the topic, a new topic, Tinganta. So for the first maybe 10-15 class, it will be very theoretical, be a little descriptive, little boring, huh? Because you're going to get the basis for entering into Tinganta, a lot of definitions. Yeah. So it will be theory, a lot of things, definitions, all those things we are going to learn. After that only the sutra comes. Even sutra also is there. All these are defining sutras. What are lakaras, lat lakara, lang lakara. So all those things we are going to learn. And what from the basic dhatu onwards, what is a dhatu?
Nice.
That onwards. Dadati, dharati, poshati, iti dhatu. Dhatu may not the vyutpatti of the dhatu. According to the sutra, dhatu is a sanya. What are dhatus? So all those things we are going to learn, starting from dhatu onwards. Okay, so but we need to memorize this, the pratyaya and the forms of the dhatu in dhatu, any dhatu, lat lakara, lang lakara, lot lakara, ling lakara. First we will deal with these 4 lakaras. We'll see how many lakaras are there. There are 10 lakaras, 10 plus 1. In Veda also we have 1 lakara, late lakara. But we'll start with only the 4 lakaras. So we will, we will take a dhatu from any gana. By default, we'll take first gana dhatu and their respective forms. Lat lakara rupam, lang rupam, lot and ling rupam. Both parasmapadi and atmanepadi. Okay, so this we will chant every class. So we need to commit to memory. tiptasjhi,
tiptasjhi,
siptastha,
सिद्धस्थ
mipvasmas,
मिप्पस्मस्
ta atamjha,
त आतां झ
thas atham dhvam,
धास् आथां ध्वम्
it vahi maging.
इट् वहि महिम्
This also we are going to learn. These are the pratyas, tim pratyas, parasmaipadi and atmanepadi. So we are going to learn what sutra by which the sanya is given, parasmapada pratyaya, atmanepada pratyaya. Then latlakara pratyaya after removing the it letter. Titaha anti,
ईतः अन्ति
sitaha tha,
सीतः थ
mi laha maha.
मि वह महा
Then te ate. Ate, in fact, it is the original rupa. But for the four ganas, 1, 4, 6, 10, first gana, first conjugation, fourth conjugation, sixth conjugation, and 10th conjugation, that a will be replaced by e. Ate is the actual one. But for 1, 4, 6, 10, it will be ite. Similarly, ite. Other than 1, 4, 6, 10, ate only. Okay. Since we are going to do only 1, 4, 6, 10 to start with, therefore we will chant ite, te, ite, ante,
ते इते अन्ते
se, ite, dve,
से इथे द्वे
ye, vahe, mahe.
ए वहे महे
One dhatu from any gana, but for parasmapada pratyaya, apnepada pratyaya. Bhavati bhavataha bhavanti,
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
bhavasi bhavataha bhavatha,
भवसि भवतः भवथ
bhavami bhavaha bhavamaha,
भवामि भवावः भवामः
labhate labhete labhante,
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
labhase labhete labhadve,
लभसे लभेथे लभध्वे
labhe labhavahe labhamage,
लभे लभावहे लभामहे
kridatu. Kridatu belongs to eighth conjugation, but it's an important dhatu. So therefore, you need to know the forms of the dhatu. And it is Ubhayapadi. It can take Parasmapada Pratyaya or Atmanepada Pratyaya. So this also you need to memorize the form. However, you memorize, when the application comes, you forget. That is why we keep chanting every class. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti,
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha,
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ
karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha,
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
kurute, kurvate, kurvate,
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
kurushe, kurvate, kurudve,
पुरुषे कुर्वाते कुरुद्वे
kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe.
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
This dhatu, eighth conjugation. Therefore, you can see here ate, ate is there. Remember, I told just now, 1, 4, 6, 10 will be ite. Suppose if it is ite, then you will have kurubete, but not kurubete, kurubate. Ate, ate, because this is eighth conjugation. Okay. We are going to learn all those things later, how the forms comes, just to observe. Then, lang rakar, lang pratyaha. Takaratam an.
Tam an.
Sakaratam ta.
Sakaratam ta.
Va ma.
Pa ma.
Ta itamanta.
Ta itam anta.
Thaha itham dvam.
Taha itam dvam.
Ye vahi mahi.
I vahi mahi.
Here also say, general is atang, atham. But 1, 4, 6, 10, it will be itam. A will be replaced by E. Okay. So need to memorize this. Then abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan.
Abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan.
Abhavaha, abhavatam, abhavata.
Abhavaha, abhavatam, abhavata.
Abhavam, abhavava, abhavama.
Abhavam, abhavava, abhavama.
Alabhata, alabhetam, alabhanta.
Alabhata, alabhetam, alabhanta.
Alabhathaha, alabhetam, alabhadvam.
Alabhathaha, alabhetam, alabhadvam.
Alabhe, alabhavahi, alabhamahi.
Alabhe, alabhavahi, alabhamahi.
Lab dhatu belongs to first conjugation. Therefore, itam only. Alava plus itam, alabhetam. A plus E, gurasant. Not atam, right?
Yes.
If it is atam, then alabhatam it would be. But not alabhatam. First conjugation. Therefore, alabha plus itam, alabhetam. Okay.
Okay.
Then, eighth conjugation. Akarot, akurutam, akuruvan.
Akarot, akurutam, akurvan.
Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta.
Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta.
Akaravam, akuruva, akuruma.
Akaravam, akurva, akurma.
Akuruta, akurvatam, akurvata.
Akuruta, akurvatam, akurvata.
Akuruthaha, akurvatham, akurudvam.
Akuruthaha, akurvatham, akurudhvam.
Akurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi.
Akurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi.
Eighth conjugation. Therefore, you can see atham, right? Atham. And akurvata, where is that? Dharmakshetre, kurukshetre. Samaveta yuyutsavaha. Mamakaha pandavaschaiva. Kim akurvata. E Sanjaya. This akurvata is there in the first shloka of the Gita, right? E akurvata. Kim akurvata. What were they doing? E Sanjaya. Then this asdhatu, important dhatu, asti. So this also we need to know. Asdhatu, parasmepadi dhatu, second conjugation, adadigana. We're going to learn all these things. Second conjugation, the first dhatu is ad dhatu. Ad means to eat. Atti, bhakshane, to eat. So in that conjugation, there is a dhatu, asdhatu, important dhatu. Sastaya, the sense of being. So that is, latlakara rupam is asti, stha, santi.
Asti, staha, santi.
Asi, stha, stha.
Asi, staha, stha.
Asmi, svaha, smaha.
Asmi, swaha, smaha.
There is a particle called sma. Sma is different, smaha is different. Smaha is Uttama Purusha Bhagavachana. Sma is a particle when you add to the latlakara, kriyapadam, you get the lang meaning. For example, saha, patati sma means he read, past tense. Sma when you add to the patati, he read. Patati is reads, present tense. But sma when you add, the meaning will be past tense. Saha patati sma, saha likati sma, saha khadati sma, saha gacchati sma. Saha gacchati sma means saha agachat, he went. Saha apatat, patati sma. So sma is different, smaha is different. Understand? So visarga is important. Visarga is there, then it is kriya padam. Visarga, and then if it is not there, then it's a particle, which can give the lung meaning, past tense meaning. When you add that to the kriya padam, lakara. Okay. Then
Yes.
asit, astam, asan,
Asit,
Asit,
astam,
astam,
asam,
asan.
asihi, astam, asta,
Asihi, astam, asta.
asam, asva, asma.
Asam,
asam,
aswa, asma.
Do you know all this by heart? No. You need to
Mostly,
remember it.
yes.
So, mostly yes.
Yes.
Krudatu and Asdatu. But we will chant every class, so that
Okay.
becomes very clear and we don't forget it. Then, Lot Lakara. First class, I will explain all this thing. Next class, we'll just chant quickly. Tu tamantu.
Tutam, antu.
Then Madhyam Purusha, the Pratyaya vanishes. That is why nothing is there. Tam ta.
Tamta.
Ani ava ama.
Ani, ava, ama.
Tam itamantam.
Tam, itam, antam.
Itam, it's for 1/4 step. Itam. Swa yatam dvam.
Sva, itam, dvam.
Ai avahe amahe.
Ai, avahe, amahe.
Bhavatu. Bhavatat is another form. Bhavatat. So for Pratham Purusha Ekavachana, Madhyam Purusha Ekavachana, another rupam is there. Bhavatu is enough. We chant Bhavatu only. Bhavatu Bhavatam Bhavantu.
Bhavatu, bhavatat, bhavatam, bhavantu.
Bhava Bhavatam Bhavata.
Bhava, bhavatam, bhavata.
Bhavani Bhavava Bhavama.
Bhavani, bhavava, bhavama.
Labhatam Labhetam Labhantam.
Labhatam, labhetam, labhantam.
Labhasva Labhetam Labhadvam.
Labhasva, labhetam, labadhum.
Labhai Labhavahai Labhamahai.
Labhe, labhavahe, labhamahe.
When we ask what is the Madhyama Purusha Ekavacham Labhasva, should be able to tell Labhasva, Labhetham, Labhadvam, right? So therefore we will chant every class. Lot Lakara, in what sense it is used? Agnya Prarthanadishu. That's the main thing you would have learned, but you will see the sutra. In what all the meanings Lot Lakaras are used. It's all very, the sutras are there, very elaborately, you are going to see that. Okay. Just we know Lot is the sense of command or request. Lot and Ling and all
Yes.
used. But so other meanings also we are going to see. What are the different meanings? All technical terms we are going to see.
Nice.
Now this Krudatu. Karotu Kurutam Kurbantu.
Karotu, kurutam, kurvantu.
Kuru Kurutam Kuruta.
Kuru, kurutam, kuruta.
Karavani Karavava Karavama.
Karavani, karavava, karavama.
Kurutam Kurvatam Kurvatam.
Kurutam, kurvatam, kurvatam.
Kurushva Kurvatham Kurudvam.
Kurushva, kurvatam, kurudvam.
Karavai Karavavahai Karavamahai.
Karavai, karavavahe, karavamahe.
You can see Uttama Purusha. Karavani Karavava Karavava. Similarly here Karavai Karavavahai Karavama. Whereas all the other forms will be Kuru. Kuru, Kuru, right? All the other forms you will have Kuru, Kuruva. Okay. So Uttama Purusha you will have Kara. That one rule applies. Sabhi rule. See. Yeah. Ling Lakara. Eat, Eetam, Iyuhu.
Itam, iyuhu.
Some say E is not required, you can make it Rasva. I made it so that both are common. Okay. For Atmanepadiya also E. For Svapadiya also it is E. Even if it is small e, Rasvaikara, it's not a problem. But I made it both that we have common. So it's not a problem. Okay.
Okay.
So, so anyway, when you add is going to Guna is going to happen. Whether it is Rasva or Dirga. Guna letter is A only when you do conjugation. Okay. Eat, eatam, iyuhu,
Eat, eatam, iyuhu,
ihi, eatam, eata,
ihi, eatam, eata,
iyam, eva, ima,
iyam, iva, ima,
ita, iyatam, iran,
ita, iyatam, iran,
itaha, iyatam, idvam,
itaha, iyatham, idhvam,
iya, ivahi, imahi.
iya, ivahi, imahi.
If you know this by heart, conjugation will be easy. Suppose bu dhatu, if you take, bu will become baba. Baba plus eat, bhavet,
Bhavet,
bhavetam,
bhavet, bhavet.
bhaveyuhu. Listen. Bhave,
Bhavet, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu.
bhavehe, bhavetam, bhavetha.
Bhavehe, bhavetam, bhaveta.
Bhaveyam, bhaveva, bhavema.
Bhaveyam, bhaveva, bhavema.
Labheta, here ita. Labha plus ita, labheta, gunasandhi. Labheta, labheyatam, labheran.
Labheta, labheyatam, labheran.
लभेथाः लभेयाथां लभेध्वम्
Labhethaha, labheyatham, labhedhum.
लभेय लभेवहि लभेमहि.
Labheya, labhevahi, labhemahi.
Oh, I think we didn't chant. I think this one. Oh, it is. Right. We are in Ling Lakara, right?
Yes.
Whether we. Oh, this is we didn't chant. I think. We chant Ether. I just jumped. Okay, that's what we did. Labeta, labeyatam, laberan. Okay. Anyway, we did the form. Pratyaya is Ether. Atmanepadi pratyaya. Ether, iyatam, iran.
Ita, iyata, iran. But this,
Ita.
this chant. I think
We did.
we chant
We
this.
did. Okay. I thought we didn't chant. Labeta, I just chanted. We didn't know. Did we
Yeah,
do?
I think
Okay,
yes.
fine. Okay. Then Krudavato, Ling Lakara. Kuryat, Kuryatam, Kuryugu.
Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu.
Kuryaha, Kuryatam, Kuryata.
Kuryaha, kuryatam, kuryata.
Kuryam, Kuryava, Kuryama.
Kuryam, kuryava, kuryama.
Kuryat Vidvan Tata Saktaha, Chikirsho Loka Sangraham. Comes in Gita. Sakta Vidvan, Saktan Karmani Vidvam Saha Yata Kuruvanti Bharata. Kuryat Vidvan Tata Saktaha, Chikishu Loka Sangraham. Kuryat. It is there. Similarly, Kuryam. That is also, it is there in the third chapter of the Gita. The Kuryam Karma Chedaham. Okay. So you will see all the words, all these. This is. Then Kurvita, Kurviyatam, Kurviran.
Kurvita, kurviyatam, kurviran.
Kurvithaha, Kurviyatham, Kurvidvam.
Kurvithaha, kurviyatham, kurvidvam.
Kurviya, Kurvivahi, Kurvimahi.
Kurviya, kurvivahi, kurvimahi.
since we are going to chant every class, if you don't know, you gets memorized for a period of time. So you need to know it by heart, all these forms. We are going to see the derivations, but you need to know by heart. Then
Okay.
asdhatu. Astu stham santu.
Astu stam santu.
Yedhi stham stha.
Edhi stam stha.
Asani asava asama.
Asani asama asama.
Syat syatam syuhu.
Syat syatam syuhu.
Syaha syatam syata.
Syaha syatam syata.
Syam syava syama.
Syam syava syama.
Up to this. So krudhatu, asdhatu, they are special and find now widely used application is there. Therefore, we need to know all the forms of the krudhatu, parasmipadi, atmanipadi, and similarly asdhatu, all the lakaras. And one dhatu, any dhatu from each, any gana for all the lakaras. This is what we chanted. Okay, up to this. Now, let us see. Start the Tinganta. Introduction to Ting. What is Ting? Ting is pratyaya.
Yes.
Siptasti, siptasta, vipasmas, right? Referring to the set of pratyayas. 9 plus 9, 18 pratyayas. 9 parasme pada pratyaya, 9. So what do you get adding the Ting pratyayas to the prakriti, dhatu? Prakriti is dhatu, right? You know. Ting pratyayas added to dhatus are pratipadikam.
Dhatus.
Dhatu. Adding which you get Tingantam, Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam.
Right?
Yes.
So every Vakya must have one Kriyapadam. In fact, a Kriyapadam is a Vakya. Ekating Vakyam. A Kriyapadam is a sentence. Patati, when you say, it's a Vakyam. Who is a Karta? Saha Patati. Somebody. Saha, Sa, Tatu, someone. So Patati means it tells you. It is a sentence. Somebody other than you and me, right? Prathama Purusha it is. Right?
Yes.
Patati. So it's a sentence. He reads, she reads, or whatever it reads. Patami is a Vakya. So therefore, Ekating Vakyam. For communication, for conveying idea, Vakyam is required. What is Vakyam? What is Vakyam? Vakyam means collection of words. Vakyam means sentence, right?
Yes.
Vakyam means sentence. Vakya, Napumsakalinga Shabda. Vakyam, Vakya, Vakyani. So Vakyam is a sentence. A sentence is a collection of words. Pada Samugha. Pada Samugha, Vakyam. Collection of words. What is a word? Word is a collection of letters. Padam is Varna Samugha. Vakyam, a Vakyam, a sentence has many padams, may have many padams, many words. And padam is Arthabodhakaha. Pada conveys an artha, an idea, a meaning. And what is a padam? Varna Samugha, collection of letters. Collection of letters makes a padam, and the padam is meaningful. And collection of padam, the words make a sentence, right? So a padam has many letters, and padam is a refined prakriti. What is a padam? Padam is refined, that is samskritam. The word is refined. How it is refined? Padam is a refined prakriti. And prakriti could be a pratipadikam or dhatu. Can you use a word which is not a padam in the language? No. Apadam na prayunjita. There's a statement. You cannot use a word which is not a padam. So it should be a refined word. The padam means it's a refined word. The raw material, the prakriti is converted into a usable word by the addition of the pratyaya, supratyaya or ting pratyaya. Supratyaya, if it is a pratipadikam, ting pratyaya. By that, it becomes a refined word, and that alone used in the language. Padana mula prakriti. Any pada you take, whether nama padam or kriya padam, If you see the etymological derivation, it must have derived from a dhatu. Even the word padam also derived from a dhatu, pad dhatu. Anything you take. Sanskritam derived from the dhatu, kru dhatu. Some upasarga, kru, and ta pratyaya, you get Sanskritam. Rama, the word also from the dhatu. What
Ram.
dhatu? Ram dhatu. Ram, ramate. Sarvani bhutani ramate asminiti. Rama. That's why you get Ramaha. From the Ram dhatu you get. Therefore, padana moola prakriti is dhatu. Padani dhatubhya nishpadyante. Padas are derived from the dhatu. Vakyani padeki kriyanti. And vakya, sentence are constructed with the words. A vakyam centered on kriya, meaning action, which is conveyed to a kriya padam in a vakyam. Understand? It's clear.
Yes.
The vakyam, a sentence is sentence. What is important part of the sentence? Action. Right? And that is conveyed through kriya padam in a sentence. Kriya, the action is accomplished by what? Accomplished by karaka. What are karakas? Factors of action which are involved in the accomplishment of action are called karakani. Kriyanvayi karakam. So patati, kaha patati? Ramaha patati. So Rama is a karta connected to the patati. Patati, Ramaha patati. Who reads? You ask question, you get answers. Who reads? Rama reads. What does he read? What does he read when you ask? You get object. Ramaha pustakam patati. How does he read? Netrabhyam patati. Where does he read? Vidyalaye netrabhyam pustakam patati. You can say, right? Adhikarana karaka, locus. So all these are the karakas. Karaka, you know, right? Some idea?
Yes.
Karta, karma, karana, sampradana. Kimartam patati. Jnanaya, for gaining jnanam. Ramaha pustakam vidyalaye jnanaya jnana praptyartam patati. All these other karakas, right?
Yes.
All the words are connected to the kriya. So kriya is accomplished by all these karakas. That is what in the Gita it is a brahmarpanam brahmavihi. Brahmagno brahmanahutam. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam brahma karma samadhina. All the karakas are brahma. It's called karaka upamardana. When karta is negated, all karakas falls down. Because karta karaka is the main karaka, right? Karta.
Yes.
It's okay. Therefore, kriya is accomplished through these karakas. You understand?
Yes.
So karakas are the factors which are involved in the accomplishment of an action, karaka. So kartra karaka, karma karaka, karana karaka, sampradana karaka, apadana karaka, right? Then adhikarana karaka. All these we have the karakas. So these karakas, karakani, kriyanvayi karakani. So all these karakas are, they are the factors of action. By that only the kriya, the action is accomplished. Okay. I'll give another example. See, just a sentence you just see. Grishme Ramaha Ayodhya Nagarat Pitruvachana Paripalanaya Ratena Vanam Gachati. Now, what is this kriya in sentence?
Gachati.
Gachati. That is the action. Action is accomplished by the help of the factors. Main factor is karta. Kaha gachati.
Rama.
Ramaha.
Rama is here. You have to find out in the sentence which is one is Pratama Bhakti. Kaha gachati. Answer is Rama gachati. Kutra gachati.
Grishme gachati.
Ayod.
No. Kutra
Ayodhya
gachati.
Nagarat.
No. Kutra gachati. Where does he go? The place of destination I'm asking. Where does he go?
Ah, yes. Vanam. Vanam. Vanam
In
gacchati.
Sanskritam, the place of reach, destination is considered to be karma, object. Okay. See, agam kadami. Agam palam kadami. Palam is karma, object. That we don't have problem. We understand palam. The fruit is object. Similarly, here also, gachati, movement, going. The place of destination is considered to be karma. So, vanam is the karma. Therefore, because it is karma, therefore, vana is dvitiya vibhakti. And here it is ekavachana. Ramaha vanam gachati. Katham gachati? Next question.
Rathena gacchati.
That is the karana. Rata is the karanam, the means. Because it is karana, therefore, tritiya vibhakti. Karana karaka will take tritiya vibhakti. Ratena. So, Rama the karta
Yes.
and vanam, rata, all the factors are involved in the moment, in accomplishing the action. The action is taken to reach, undertaken by the karta to reach the destination. Vanam. Kimartam gachati? Why does he go? What is the purpose?
Nirvachanam paripalanaya.
Pitrvachana paripar, in order to protect the words of his father. Right? That is the reason he goes.
Yes.
So, sampradhana, the purpose. Kutaha gachati? From where does he go? Start, goes. Ayodhya Nagara. So that is Adhikarana. From where the movement takes place. Like Vrikshat Palam Padati. Vriksha is Adhikarana. Right? Yeah, Ayodhya Nagara he moves. Kada, when does he go? Kada Gachati?
Grishme.
Grishma in summer. Just sometime. Summer or Prata Kale. Kada. Could be in terms of time or place, whatever it is. Kada. So if you ask this question, you get answers. And if here if you see, Saptami Vibhakti is Adhikarana Karaka, Saptami Vibhakti. Kartrikaraka, Pratama Vibhakti. Ayodhya Nagarat, Apadana Karaka, Panchami. Pitrvachana Pariparana, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Sampradana. Ratena, Rata Karana, Tritiya Vibhakti. Vanam Karma, Dvitiya Vibhakti. What Vibhakti is missing?
Shashti.
Shashti. Shashti is not a Karaka. It is only Sambandha. Now you take this sentence. Grishme, in summer. Dasharathasya Ramaha. So Dasharatha, is it connected to Gachati? No. It's connected to Ramaha only. Dasharatha doesn't go. The movement is only for the Rama. Rama only goes. Therefore, you cannot ask. You cannot ask Kaha Gachati, Dasharatha Gachati, you cannot say. Ramaha only Gachati. Kaha Ramaha, you can ask. Then Dasharathasya Ramaha, Dasharathasya Putraha Ramaha, you can say. Right? So Dasharathasya is Shashti Vibhakti. It is not a Karaka. It is a Sambandha Shashti. It is connected to Rama. Ayodhya Nagarat Pitrvachana Parinpaya Ratena Gachati. Who's Rata? His friend's Rata. His friend's car. Mitrasya. The Mitrasya Rata. Mitra Shashti Vibhakti. Connected to Rata. So you cannot swap Mitra and Dasharatha. You cannot put, interchange the words here. If it is a Karaka, you can interchange. The meaning will not change. But Shashti Vibhakti, if it is then Shashti Vibhakti, you cannot, the words you cannot interchange. Here you see the first sentence. Grishme Ramaha Ayodhya Nagarat Pitrvachana Paripalanaya Ratena Vanam Gachati. And here Ramaha Gachati Pitrvachana Paripalanaya Ratena Vanam Grishme. Same meaning. Meaning will not change. You can place a word anywhere you like, the meaning is same. But here also same only. You can place a word anywhere. But Dasharatha is connected to Ramaha. Therefore, together only you can place anywhere in the sentence. You cannot put Dasharatha somewhere and then Ramaha you cannot say. You cannot place Mitrasya Ramaha. Meaning will change. It means friend of Rama goes to forest, not Rama. I mean, something like that. I mean, not that one. Mitrasya Ramaha means Rama only goes to forest, but Rama is defined, described as he is a friend. Tasya Mitra. The meaning will change. Okay. Anyway. Sometimes meaning also will change. Mitra may go to forest. If you do like that, so problem. So Dasharatha Ramaha, Mitrasya Ratena, he goes to the forest. And the forest belongs to Gugasya, Guha. Man, Guga is the person, name of the person. Gugasya Vanam Gachati. So this Shashti Vibhakti, so any word, any Karaka can have Shashti Vibhakti. That is the word connected to the particular Karaka. Understand?
Yes.
This is just an introduction. So, therefore, what I'm saying is factors are involved in accomplishing the Kriya. So, there are factors of action. Kriyanvayi karakam. Kriyam Nishpadayati. Iti karakam karakani. Okay. And 6 karakas are there. Shashti Bhakti is not a karaka. Therefore, Kriyanvayi karakam. These are definitions of karaka. Kriyam karoti iti karakam. Kriya janakatvam karakam. Right? All these are Kriya janakatvam karakam and karakani shat. There are 6 karakas. Karta, karma, karana, sampradana, apadana, adhikarana. Okay. Now, a vakyam is an expression of Kriya and Kriya Karaka Sambandha. That's what a vakyam is. What is a sentence? A sentence has Kriya, the action, and there is Kriya Karaka Sambandha. And Karakas may have connection with other words in the Vakya, and they are Sambandha Padam, not a Karaka. Like we saw now, Dashatatsi Ramaha, Yugasyavanam. They are Sambandha Padam, not a Karaka. They are not involved in accomplishing the action expressed by the Dhatu in the Vakya. They are Sambandha, connected to the words in the Karaka in the sentence, right? Now, an action basically, what is an action? Basically, the action is nothing but the meaning of the dhatu, dhatu artha. Phat means to read. Patati is he reads, right? So dhatu artha is the action. What is dhatuhu? Kriya vachana dhatuhu, bhava vachana dhatuhu, expression of kriya, expression of action. A kriya is an expression of the meaning of the dhatu. And dhatu has a meaning of an action, kriya. In the language, dhatu cannot be used directly. Can you use a dhatu directly? No. It has to be converted into a padam. What padam? Kriya padam. Then it expresses the meaning of the dhatu. So dhatu can express can be converted to kriya padam. Then it is made to express the meaning of the dhatu. So kriya padam only can express the meaning of the dhatu. So dhatu therefore must be converted to a padam, kriya padam, by the pratyas. What pratyaya? Think pratyaya. That is what think and think pratyaya. That is the topic we are going to see. And we have different pratyas which can be added to dhatu to bring out the meaning of the dhatu. Not only kriya padam. We have kridanta, dhatu plus some krit pratyaya, as we have seen. Ramaha is a kridanta word. Ram plus one pratyaya, krit pratyaya. Ramaha we get. So we have different pratyas which can be added to dhatu to bring out the meaning of the dhatu. So what is the meaning of Ram? The same meaning Ramaha you get. The meaning of the dhatu is brought out by the word Rama, which has the pratyaya. Ram, dhatu plus pratyaya. So we have different pratyas. Krit pratyaya, ting pratyaya. So many pratyas are there. We are going to see them. Now we are going to see only ting pratyas, no, not krit pratyaya. Topic is tingantam, ting pratyas. Now what is a pratyaya? Pratiyate vidiyate yasmat saha pratyaha. You can memorize all these definitions. That which is ordained after which. After what? After prakriti. And here the prakriti is dhatu. Dhatoho parasya vidiyate. That is called pratyaya. Therefore, pratyas are ordained after. After what? Here we are going to discuss ting pratyas. Therefore, ting pratyas are ordained after. After what? After dhatu. Pratiyate, vidiyate, that which is ordained. Yasmat, after which. Yasmat dhatoho saha pratyaya bhavati. And pratyaya, that could be ting pratyaya, krit pratyaya, any pratyaya. Ting pratyaya, you get kriya padam. Krit pratyaya, you get a pratipadikam. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
You follow, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I hope it's not confusing, huh?
No, not conscious.
See, you can add, I'll show you another thing. See, dhatu plus ting pratyaya. What do you get? Kriya padam, tingantam. Pratipadikam plus sup pratyaya. You get subantam namapadam. And dhatu plus krit pratyaya. Pratipadikam is, you can derive a pratipadikam. And the pratipadikam can be converted to namapadam by adding sup pratyaya. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
And from a pratipadikam, we can derive a dhatu also. That is also possible. Pratipadikam plus nama dhatu pratyaya, get dhatu. And the dhatu can be converted into a pratipadikam by adding krit pratyaya. And the pratipadikam can be converted to a padam by adding sup pratyaya. All this possible. And a pratipadikam can be converted to another pratipadikam by adding tadita pratyayas. Right? And the pratipadikam can be converted into a dhatu by adding nama dhatu pratyaya. I mean, converted to dhatu by nama dhatu pratyaya. And the pratipadikam can be converted into a subantam by adding sup pratyaya. All this permutation, combination. Finally, if you come, when it comes to padam, you have to add ting pratyaya for kriya padam, sup pratyaya for nama padam. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, all these are possibilities. Okay. Primarily, the pratyayas, when added to dhatu, it brings out the meaning of the karaka connected with the dhatu. Primarily, the pratyayas, when added to the dhatu, it brings out the meaning of the karaka connected with the dhatu. See, for example, ram dhatu. From ram dhatu, you get ramaha. What is ramaha? Ramaha is ramante sarvani bhutani yasmin iti. Okay, you know ram. What is ram? Okay, what is the meaning of ramaha? Tell me. What is the meaning of rama?
Yeah.
To rejoice.
Huh? What?
It's like to rejoice, to enjoy, to
The Rama is it's a pratipadikam, it's a noun. So what is the meaning of Rama? From ram dhatu, it is derived by adding some pratyaya.
yes.
And the vyutpatti, it is given like this. Ramante sarvani bhutani yasmin saha. All the bhutas revel in which. That is called Rama.
Mhm.
Rama means don't say Rama is Ishvara, Lord. That we know. All the bhutas revel in which. So ram dhatu, ram means to revel, to rejoice. And the vyutpatti is given adhikarana vyutpatti. All the bhutas revel in whom or in which, in what. That is Rama. So the pratyaya is added to the dhatu to bring out the meaning of the karaka. Here what karaka, what vyutpatti? Adhikarana vyutpatti. That is what you said here. So therefore we have pratyayas and can be added to dhatu to bring out the meaning of the karaka connected to the dhatu. I will give a simple example. Already we have seen. Kru dhatu is there. You add trish pratyaya. What do you get? Trich. Trich is the pratyaya is added in the sense of doing, the doer. So kru plus tru, kartru, karta. Right? Similarly, shru plus tru,
Yes.
shrotru, shrota. Similarly, patitra, patitru, drashta, drishdhatu, the seer. So trich means er. In English, it is er, the doer. Er, the one who does the particular kriya, right? That is trich pratyaya.
Yes.
If kru dhatu, do become doer. See becomes seer. Eat become eater. Walk becomes walker. Listen become listener. Talk become talker. That is over there. All these are karta, right? Doer of the kriya, the action. So that kartrikaraka is what is brought out by the pratyaya, the trich pratyaya adding to the dhatu. Dhatu has its meaning, and the trich pratyaya bring out the doer of that kriya. Kartrikarakam. Bring out the meaning of karaka connected to dhatu. What karaka? Kartrikaraka. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Similarly, we have so many pratyayas which can bring out different karaka. That's why I gave the example of Rama. Rama is adhikarana vyutpatti, we say. Adhikarana karakarta is brought out by the pratyaya and the meaning, whatever the meaning of the dhatu is. So karaka abhivanjanartham pratyayanam yojana dhatoho pratyas are added to bring out the meaning of the karaka connected with the dhatu. Whatever written in English, the Sanskritam is that translation. In addition to karaka, Pratyaya also can bring out a time element. Time means what? Tenses. Tenses and moods. There only comes lakaras.
Yes.
Lat lakara, lang lakara, time, mood, or any other shades of meaning. So karakartha also possible. It can bring out time. Now that's what we are going to see. Time means tinganta. We are going to see lakaras. The 10 plus 1 lakaras. 10 lakaras. Pratyayanam yojanena भिन्नानि कारकानि रूपाणि च निष्पाद्यन्ते एकस्मात् धातोः लक्षशः रूपाणि भवितुम् अर्हन्ति. Lakshasha means lakhs of forms are possible from one dhatu. We can derive by adding the pratyaya. Because so many pratyas are there. So, different karakartha can be brought out. And different dhatoho lakshaha rupani. 10 lakaras are there. Kartari, karmani, bhave, you can imagine. And causative form. And namadhatu goes on and on and on. So, lakhs of forms of dhatu possible. A dhatu can be converted to another dhatu. All this, just imagine how many forms would be possible. Lakhs and lakhs of forms can be derived from it. Pat dhatu from that. And sananta, ichartha also. Desiderative, we can, that also possible. Desiderative, that also all the 10 lakaras. And it's dijanta rupam, causative rupam. So many are there. Mind-boggling, right? So many are there. So we cannot have a book. It means a huge thing. In fact, in our advanced class, I have done taking a dhatu, all the forms, causative form, and causative to causative, something like that I have done. Okay. So, in general, now, pratyaya is classified into pratyayaha pradhanena dvidha bhavanti. Pratyayas are generally two types. Pratipadika siddhaye sanyojyamanaha pratyayaha. For the derivation of pratipadika, the pratyayas which are available, that is like krit pratyayas, etc., which are added to a dhatu, you get a pratipadikam. That is one type. Second one is pada nishpataye sanyojyamanaha pratyayaha. Other type of pratyayas are the pratyayas which are useful for deriving the padam. What are those pratyaya? Ting pratyaya, sup pratyaya. Those two are the pratyayas only available for pada nishpatti. Whereas pratipadika siddhi, we have tadita pratyaya, we have krit pratyaya, so many pratyayas are there. Tadita means a list of pratyayas. Krit pratyayas, so many are there. Okay, tatra adyaha. Adya means the first one. Pratipadika siddhaye sanyojyamanaha pratyayaha. Pratipadika siddhaye, in deriving the pratipadikam, the pratyayas which are added, which are sanyojyamanaha, that of two types. What are they? Krit pratyayaha, tadita pratyayaha. So krit pratyaya, tadita pratyayas are helpful for deriving a pratipadika. Whereas pada nishpattaye, what pratyaya? There also we have two types of pratyaya. One is sup, other one is ting. Sup pratyaya subantam, ting pratyaya stingantam. The first category is classified into krit pratyaya, tadita pratyaya. Second category into sup pratyaya and ting pratyaya. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So pada
Yes, sir.
nishpattaye ting pratyayaha sup pratyayaha. Pratipadika siddhaye krit pratyayaha tadita pratyayaha. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I think this much introduction is enough today. Huh? And NSG, you have asked some questions, so I'll try to answer. Just asked about some interesting question from Kena-Upanishad. I have a question about Kena-Upanishad classes. It is a relationship between karma and jnana. Okay. Is hearing, that shravanam, the teachings considered an action? Is thinking about the teachings considered an action? If yes, how are these actions not conducive to knowledge? Otherwise, how could one achieve jnanam without hearing and not thinking about the teachings? First of all, what is jnanam? What is karma? Karma is action. Whether it is physical action or mental action, whatever action. Manasam karma. Upasana, etc. karma. And hearing also karma only. Listening to the words of the Shastra, that is also karma only. Right? It is
Yes.
all karma. If it is karma, then it is kartri tantram. You have got free will. You can choose to listen to the class, or you can choose not to listen. You can just quit, or you can watch the recording. Possible, right? Kartum shakyam, akartum shakyam, manyata va kartum shakyam. Because action is there. Wherever action is involved, you have got free will. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So action implies free will. So where free will is there, that is action is there. So we can take that's kartri tantram. It's purely kartri tantram. Karta has got say over it. What about jnanam? When you see, for example, a flower, a object, a rose flower,
Yes.
your eyes see. Opening the eyes up to opening your eyes eyelids, only your action, karta tantram. You have to choose to open your eyes. You cannot say, I will close my eyes, I will not see. Your choice. You need not open your eyes. You have got choice. You can open your eyes, your choice. But once you open your eyes and flower is there, you cannot but see it. Can you choose to see the flower, rose flower as lily flower? No.
No.
No free will is involved. When pramana operates, where is free will? Shastram also like that pramana. The Shastram, like the rose flower, when you operate the pramana, I pramana, the knowledge takes place where no free will is involved. Similarly, when Shastram is operated, no free will is involved because Shastram is also a pramanam. That is jnanam. The knowledge produced by the Shastram. Where is karma then? Where is free will? Right? Up to going to the teacher, asking questions, sitting in the class, with and ears, your ears are you are with all ears, you got free will. Once the teacher starts taking class, gives you knowledge, your free will is suspended. You cannot apply your free will. You cannot choose to listen in a different way. Whatever teacher said, the words just falls into the ears and knowledge is produced. That is Purush, that is that tantra we call, it's called Pramana Tantra. There is no Karta Tantra. There is no Purusha Tantra. That Pramana operates. It is Vastu Tantra, we say. Vastu Tantra. The free will is not there. So yatra, you can say, Purusha Tantra Asti. Tat karma bhavati. Wherever if you have got Purusha Tantra free will is that is karma. So therefore, the question is answered. So here in the teaching, consider action. Yes, up to you are sitting in the class, open the ears open. But once the words fall and knowledge is produced, once the word, you should allow the words to enter your ears. Once it enters, it will produce knowledge. You can't help it. Like you open your eyes and see the color of the object. That is not action. That is knowledge. Thinking about the teaching, yes, that is an action. That is action, thinking about the teaching. That deliberately we do. Nididhyasana meditation we do. There we recollect. That deliberation, we recollect the teaching. Okay. So then how are these actions not conducive to knowledge? Who says not conducive? If the actions are, if Shravanam Manam, they're all conducive for knowledge. Shravanam is Pramanam. That's why we say Shravana Matrena Jnanam Bhavati. When the Pramanam is operated, when you listen, Jnanam must happen. If the Jnanam doesn't happen, there is some lack. There's some lack in Adhikaritam. That is why Jnanam doesn't happen. That is why preparation. That is why Karma Yoga, etc. But Karma Yoga cannot give you moksha. Karma Yoga makes you a fit recipient to receive the knowledge. So the knowledge will be obstacle free because the obstacles are there, raga dveshas are there. Therefore, in spite of Shravanam, knowledge doesn't happen because your mind is not ready to grasp the teaching. For that only karma yoga, etc. All these yogas are as preliminary steps for preparation is talked about. Once the person is adhikari, when the pramana is operated by the teacher, where is action there? There is no Purusha Tantra. Pramana takes care of it. Vastu Tantra. So that is clear distinction. And if I understand your question properly, hearing happens, hearing is an action. Hearing is these are all Mula Pramana. We have got only 5 sense organs. With 5 sense organs only we perceive objects, we gain knowledge. Without which, how will you gain knowledge? The knowledge, the hearing only you get the knowledge of the word, right? There are Mula Pramana. When I speak, how do you hear? Without using your ear, you cannot use your mind and ear, right? So you have to use your Karanam only. All the Pramanas
Yes.
have this Pratyaksha, that is Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha, that Shotra, all as the basic Pramana, Mula Pramana they are called, without which you cannot gain any knowledge, right? Even Anumana is all based on
Yes.
Pratyaksha. Similarly, when you say Shabda Pramana, Shabda means words. The words have to be uttered and to be listened to. So ears are involved. So up to making your available, ready to receive the words, action is involved. After that, there is no action. Just that vritti happens. Once the words enter your ears, you cannot prevent it from knowledge happening. Knowledge happens. Like you open your eyes and see the object as rose flower, there is no free will. Similarly. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. I think I answered your question. That's what the clear distinction between karma and jnana. Okay. So we'll stop here.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow also we'll have Sanskritam class.
Okay.
Because I'll do the introduction. I hope the introduction you can follow, right? Interesting, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Very nice.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad. Thank you. See you.
Yes.